All right, you two people. Well, I had you send the window motor back. They got here, and they wanted quite a chunk and change for import fees, almost half the price I paid for the fucking part, 180 bucks, and go back. I'll go to a junkyard and find one, take the window shut a little longer. In the meantime, after a little digging, I'm not 100% sure this thing has a top end knock or a rod knock. I could be wrong. I'm getting a wicked DME fault, injector 6 activation fault code. Oh, misfire and cylinder 6 fault code, of course. I got 3 or 4 codes just for DME relay, DME internal fault, and like another one. So I'm gonna start there, replace the DME, code the injectors, the CAS, get the key. If that doesn't work and no one buys the car, I have found a place where I can get a running motor. I may go that route, finance the shit out of that, and then maybe when I pull this one out, I'll see what's wrong with it, and maybe we'll build it for some power for the next time I need it.